Welcome back to AI News. Today is Tuesday, June 9th, 2026, and we have three massive stories shaking up the tech world. OpenAI is officially heading to Wall Street. Apple just dropped a bombshell at WWDC with the new Siri AI, and we are debunking that viral rumor about China's Xiaomi MiMO being 15 times faster than ChatGPT and Claude. Let's dive in. First up, the creator of ChatGPT is going public. OpenAI has confidentially filed paperwork with the SEC for an initial public offering in the US. While CEO Sam Altman has stated they are in no rush, reports indicate the company is targeting a staggering valuation of up to $1 trillion. This move comes right as rival Anthropic also pushes toward the stock market, setting up a massive battle for AI investor capital. Next, Apple has finally answered the AI call. At yesterday's WWDC 26 event, Tim Cook unveiled Siri AI. Rebuilt from the ground up and powered by $1 billion partnership using Google's Gemini model, Siri is now deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. It features on-screen awareness, advanced conversational memory, and a dedicated app. Just note, if you are in the EU, you will not have access to iOS and iPadOS Siri AI initially due to ongoing regulatory rollouts. Finally, let's clear up some internet misinformation. You might have seen flashy headlines claiming China's Xiaomi MiMO model is 15 times faster than ChatGPT and Claude. Here is the reality. While Xiaomi's new MiMO V2.5 Pro Ultra Speed achieves impressive raw generation speeds on standard GPUs, it is not functionally 15 times faster in real-world, complex reasoning tasks compared to GPT 5.2 or Claude 4.6. The actual major news from Xiaomi is a massive 99% API price cut, making their highly capable trillion-parameter model incredibly cheap for developers, not a magical 15x speed multiplier. That is your AI update for today. What do you think about OpenAI going public? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news.